Hello, everyone. Let's take a look at the trades I made today. Today is December 27th. It's a Monday, December 27th, 2021. So, I got here. The ES was for me a wash today. Actually, $0 at the end, but I was in a loss of 850, which I recover by the end of the morning, actually, by 10:30. Um, so let's take a look at the trades I made. So let me go ahead and start with the 30 minutes chart. So you see here we are in an uptrend. We were moving in between this Darvas channel, and then right there was the upper side of the Darvas, right? And then it before the market opened today, it made an attempt to break, and this is where I was cut in these three candles right here. So we're going to take a look at it. So let's see if I put this level right there. That is right above this Darvas. The entry should have been there, and sure enough, I did one entry right there, second and third, and the three of them were losses. And then the third one actually worked, but it moved very fast at 9:30, so I didn't take it. So let's take a look at the Renko chart, which is my entry chart. So let me expand it a little bit here. I have it marked in the trades I made, or the profit I made in each, or the loss. So here it is. Right there. This is the previous day high. It was actually hitting before the market opened, and probably that would be a little bit of more riskier a trade. It's safer to wait until the market move after the open in ES. But I wanted to take the risk, and so the first one was $175 loss. I entered here at 47.3150. Then marked the first candle back, and I sold. This one was a mistake in selling it. I clicked the wrong bottom, so actually I took a loss of $50 in one of the contracts. But the second one was hit here when it closed, when this bar triggered. So that is $175 on that trade loss. Second one, I was also stopped. I took this one entering in above this candle, and then this one here moved up and then came back, right? So when they painted the first candle to the negative side, or to the opposite side, then I sold it right there. Right after, made another break to the upside, and I took it as well. So this one here, it is actually, I'm trading now 3 lots. So if you see here, it says 3. That means that I'm taking 3 lots, and the target is 2 at 125, and the rest is I put it as a runner. The one left is a runner. So this one here also sold. This one here sold as a loss. So 47, 30, 75, the 3 lots were sold here, and then I And so this one, in between the three lots, was a loss of $225. Okay. Then I took this one here the third time, and then it was closer to the opening. Well, actually, 45 minutes before. I took this one, and then actually this one was a loss as well, but this one I took the $300 loss in here. It moved a little bit to the upside, but then it retraced, and then it sold $300 loss there. Now the market open, and I really missed this one, and the reason is that if you see here the time, 9:30, so this one moved pretty hard. I was expecting this one to move low. If you see, this candle was crossing the 18 EMA, and then right after, when it opened at 927 920 929, and then when this one opens, it moved down and then up. So this one opens here and moved up, right? And then I didn't have, I mean, it was too fast for me. So 9:30, if you see the second, 9:30, 24, 26, 33. So then I couldn't take it here. I could have taken it here, but it was kind of like flying for me. It was a matter of seconds and it was gone. So, I couldn't take this one. So I missed that trade. Would have been good to recover from the initial loss. And then I took this one. It is a week out of the 18 EMA. So I took it right up there and then moved up and then reversed again. So when it reversed, I took this one and as a loss, and then I lost in this one because it moved a little bit in my favor. I lost in this one $150. Now, last trade was the one that I recovered. I was at this point $850 down. So 175, 225, 300, and 150. It's $850. Now in here, I saw that this one was also given a week out of the 50 now, and then I took this trade right here. So and then this one went in my favor. So two lots at I mean three lots. I bought three lots, 47, 42, 75. And then this one sold at 47, 45, 25. So $250 there. And then the rest for the 850 was sold when it reversed right below this candle. So the first candle, the first break broke to the downside, and then I sold it one tick below there. Now ES kept moving to the upside. There was a little bit of choppiness here. You could argue that you could take this one, but the momentum was negative, and there was a little bit of divergence here. So I didn't feel confident on taking it, and then I recovered already from 850 bucks loss, and now I'm at break even. I'm good with that. So I didn't trade anymore. The market was, from my opinion, it was extended. Everyone was saying that, or is saying that 4,800 could be the level that everyone is looking for, and probably is going to get there. But I didn't think that it was going to be today. So still, these candles in the 30 minutes, these candles all look to the upside. So it was a very, very bullish day today. So let's see. So, a little bit of consolidation. You have here the Darvas box right there. And then this one was broke during lunchtime at 12. Kept moving up. This is a nice move as well. Came back, moving up. Came back. This one was a good entry as well in the afternoon, and then, you know, moved all the way in a solid move, really, really solid. The day was really, really bullish. I took advantage of only one good trade, recovering from early losses. So let's paint this channel here, which is the one I was using while I was trading. So let's take that one, probably with that pivot right here, and then this one here. So you see that trade, this trade here, the 850 was right when it touched the 50 and moved with a moved inside the channel as inside the channel right there. So that was good. This one has been it should have been a good entry as well. Moved all the way to the upside there. And now the channel was broken. Probably we can adjust this a little bit for that. Maybe there. And you see it touched the channel and then went all the way up again. So very strong day for the ES. Unfortunately, I didn't make any money, but I recovered from the initial loss. Probably um, the um, let me see this. Probably the learning lesson here is, don't get too aggressive before the market opens. The market is going to move, especially ES is going to move after 9:30. Be patient. If you see a good trade, a good entry, I you may take it, but just be careful and keep your losses small. I mean, for me, this is okay. It was okay, especially because I was able to recover from the loss. Okay, thanks for watching this video today.